Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Ramadan Kareem to all of you. Today we will check the question and answers of this chapter, Adaptations in Plants. In the last class, we were discussing about the give reasons questions, question number 1 to 4. Hope you all did that homework in your copy. Let's start with the first question. Define habitat and adaptation. Habitat, the natural surrounding in which plants live, is called habitat. Adaptation, the adjustment to the condition of the environment, is called adaptation. Coming to the second question, distinguish between aquatic and terrestrial plants. You have to draw a table part into two. First side is for aquatic plant, the second side is for terrestrial plants. In aquatic plants, you have to write plants that grow in water. There are three types of aquatic plants. First one, floating plants, then fixed aquatic plants, then underwater plants. In terrestrial plants, you have to write plants that grow on land. Then you have to write there are five types of terrestrial plants. First one, plants on mountain, then plants in plains, then desert plants, then plants in coastal region, then plants in marshy areas. Coming to the third question, list three uses of plants of the grass family. The first point, bamboo plants are giant grass and are used to make paper. The second point, sugarcane is a type of grass used to make sugar and jaggery. Third point, the roots of grass help in holding the soil particles together. Coming to the fourth question, why do insectivorous plants trap insects in spite of being green in color? The answer is the plants grow in soil that is poor in minerals, trap insects and consume them to meet their mineral requirement. Such plants are called insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants are usually green and can hence make their own food. Example, picture plants, sundew and Venus flytrap. Coming to the fifth question, how are underwater plants different from floating plants? This question answer also you have to do in a table. Draw a table, part into two. The first portion for underwater plants and the second column is for floating plants. In underwater plants, you have to write they are fixed to the soil at the bottom of the pond. Then stomata is absent. Then leaves are very small or ribbon-like. Example, hydrilla. In floating plants, you have to write they are not fixed to the soil at the bottom of the pond. Stomata is present. They have small size and light bodies. Example, Wolfia. So that's all about today's class. So this is the time for homework. Write the question and answers, question number 1 to 5 in the copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.